every time I do an equipment plan, I need to modify so many things on my text. For instance, find all of the def points text and erase it for my drawing. After that, make all my text consistent. My texts are on different sizes. Check the layers and fix those. Also, this is not my standard text style. Let's see how we can automate this process. But before, a huge thanks to our patrons who make these tutorials possible. If you want to download all our AutoCAD blogs, macros, files, then check our community link below. The easiest way is to use your tool palette over here. All we gotta do is go to right click and properties, and here is where we can create our quick shortcut. Lazy text updates. And now what I like to do is erase all of the text in def point layer. I'm gonna use this SSX command inside AutoCAD and press enter to accept it. I'm gonna say LA for layer and press enter because I want to select the def points layer, and I'm gonna press enter. What we want is to erase, so I'm gonna use the erase command and accept it with enter, and I'm gonna say P for previous and accept that with 2 enters. So look what's gonna happen now when I click OK. Pay attention to the text on def points. So I'm gonna click and boom, you can see immediately. Okay, so I'm gonna say style, and press enter to accept that. So we need to create a text style name. That's all up to you, but in my case I'm gonna say A equipment. So that's the new name for the text style that I'm gonna create. The font style, per my standards, it's called arch style height. So I'm gonna say 2.5 and press enter. I am gonna make another selection with the SSX, make a new layer with the shortcut M for make. So the layer that I want everything to be in is A equipment dash node. It's gonna ask for a color, so I'm gonna type C for color and press enter. In my case, color 9, it's what I need. We're gonna utilize this command called ch prop and press enter. I'm gonna click OK to accept that. And the next time you do an equipment plan, all you gotta do to keep consistent is use your shortcut, the lazy text updates, and boom, all of your text will be on the correct style, on the correct size, on the correct layer, and the text that you won't need will be erased from your drawing immediately.